Hello guys, this is Vishal Jain, your ACCA faculty. Guys, students keep asking me that, sir, shall we appear for a single paper in an exam sitting, or shall we appear for multiple papers, might be two papers or more than two papers in an exam sitting? Now I'll say, ideally there is no right answer for this. There is no right answer. But through this video, I want to guide you with certain parameters which can help you decide whether you should go with one paper or multiple papers, because the decision can vary from individual to individual, right? So I cannot say a right answer, okay, you should go for one paper only, you can go for two paper only, but I can give you, I can guide you, I can show you the right path or a right parameters on the basis of which you can decide what is right for you. Okay, now understand, in an ideal scenario, okay, I will always say you should always go for two papers, at least two papers in an exam sitting. Okay, there can be multiple, there are multiple combinations. Let's suppose if you are at skill level, FR and AA is the best combination. Okay, now let's suppose FR and FM becomes the best combination, then again FM and AA also becomes a good combination, but this is the best combination I can say. Okay, now similarly if you go for professional level, SBR and AAA, if you have selected AAA as an option, becomes a good option, FR being a practical and application based paper, AAA being a theory application based paper, becomes again a very good, and ACCA also recommends you to go with these combinations, right? So it is always recommended in an ideal scenario you should go with two papers, but there are many situations where I always guide students to go with single paper. They are first, it is your first ACCA exam. It is your first ACCA exam. You have enrolled in the ACCA for the first time, and it's the first paper you will be giving the exam for ACCA. You should go with one paper. Always go with one paper. Don't take the load of two papers now, because you are not only struggling with the syllabus, you are also struggling with the ACCA pattern, the CBE platform. So first of all, give one paper, become accustomed to it, and then you can start giving two papers. Second, you are a working professional. You have the responsibility of job alongside. Okay, so if you take two papers with the responsibility of job also, what will happen? You will not be able to give appropriate time to both the papers. So at the end, what will happen? Either you will be not able to clear both the papers, or you will clear one paper and fail in another paper. So it is always suggested, recommended to appear one paper if you are working a full-time job. If you are giving in a full-time job, you should go for one paper only. If you are a working professional, you should go for one paper only. In rest all scenarios, I recommend students to go with two papers. Let's suppose it's not your first exam, you are a full-time student. Go with two papers in that case. Okay, now one more thing. If guys, please understand, every individual is different from each other. Now you have to evaluate whether do you think you will be able, if you are studying for two papers at a time, you will be able to give equal focus to both the papers. If you think, even if you are a full-time student, if you believe you are able to give equal attention or required attention to two papers or multiple papers, go with that. But if you believe no, you will not be able to do it, even if you are a full-time student, and you believe no, I will not be able to give proper attention to multiple papers, go with one paper. I have always been telling to my students, it is better to appear one paper and clearing the same rather than appearing multiple papers and failing in the same. Okay, so now it is you guys who have to decide what is the best strategy for you guys. And if I can help you in any other thing regarding ACCA, do let me know in the comment box, and I will be happy to help you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.